Well, and it's like you said too, it's really scary because people will have like they have the best of intentions sharing something that they think is true on social media or whatever,
Yeah.
but they don't know. I don't know.
Yeah, I mean, and so that's the key point is that no one has, full knowledge of everything. And so all we ask is that you just dig in a little bit more, maybe pause and not share until you've done a little bit of background search on it. Because when we talk about the purveyors of misinformation and disinformation, it's not always some sort of evil doer sitting in some castle somewhere that's just sort of pushing things out. A lot of times it's us that's pushing it around. And so those purveyors, there are purveyors of misinformation, disinformation, no doubt. They're out there. Bad actors are out there, and propagandists and opportunists, people trying to make money, people trying to push propaganda. But they take advantage of the fact that we share it. So if there's one thing that we can have people do is we sort of say, think more, share less. So think a little bit more, pause for a second, read it, make sure that you at least have read part of the article, not just the headline. And if you don't know, if you're a little uncertain about it, even mention that, I'm not quite sure. So just that little act right there, I think would help slow some of the just massive amounts of misinformation that we're seeing. And I think that's not how social media platforms are built. They're built for just ease. Oh, that's easy. That made me mad. Or that was, looks crazy. So share, and there's no checking of sources. There's no checking of who's saying this and why they're saying it. So just doing a little bit more pausing.
Yeah. It'd be great if there was just like the share button was grayed out until you read a certain amount of it, or like a little checkbox or something,
Exactly. Honestly, if that change right there could be imposed, the world would be a better place. And I'm not kidding. I think, and so some of the social media companies have talked about it. I wish they would apply just that very simple kind of design where you can share it, fine. But I just want you to at least, pause for a second and maybe, commit to saying that you've read it or something. Something like that would be nice. And also as a reader, I can say, my friend who I do trust, not only are they just sharing it, they have read it. There's a little box there that says they've read it, or at least they've said they had. I mean, if they were lying, fine, but at least there's some possible indication that they've read it and kind of vetted it.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. This is my dog, Murphy, and these are dog treats. Now I'll give Murphy one of these dog treats, and all you have to do is press the like button. Just press that little like button right down there at the bottom of this video, and this sweet, adorable, cute little puppy gets a treat. All thanks to you. All right, you did it? Okay, I believe you if you said you did it. There you go, Murph. She got that treat because of you. Now, I'll eat one of these treats, and all you have to do is click that subscribe button right there, pointing to it. Just click that subscribe button, subscribe to Curiosityness with me, Travis DeRose. Get lots of good video, and I'll eat this treat. All right, you did that too? That's not very good. Bro, not very good.